Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And before we begin, I just want to sorry if the video looks a little blurry today. I tried my best to fix the quality and I hope you still enjoy the drawing process and stay with me till the end. So today I am drawing a simple and aesthetic girl sketch with a soft warm light effect. I really love this kind of artwork because even with very few lines, it still looks elegant and peaceful. I started with the outline of the face using a smooth oval shape. After that, I sketched the neck and shoulders very lightly to keep the drawing clean and minimal. Then I moved to the hairstyle, which is probably my favorite part of this drawing. The hair is tied into a soft, messy bun, and I added a few curved strands in the front of make it look normal. Next, I added the color of the shirt with some small line shading to create depth. Little details like this can make a simple sketch look much more attractive. I really enjoyed making this artwork and I hope you enjoyed watching it too. If you liked this drawing, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to support my channel. Your support means a lot to me and motivates me to create more art video like this. But honestly speaking, my real hair is actually very curly, and sometimes I feel like this type of hairstyle wouldn't suit me at all. That's why I am curious about you guys. What kind of hair do you like more? Let me know in the comments. Oh, while talking with you guys, my drawing is almost done. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.